Race number 8. All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Blue Phoenix, Chanel Couto, Market Garden, on the outside, Perpetuity. Chanel Couto, Blue Phoenix, Perpetuity. On the outside is Market Garden. Moving up by Daryl Angelus. Down on the inside is Calling Erin. On the outside, Top Guy by Daryl. Is entry number 3. This one is Empire Queen, Bread Wine alongside. And inside the last 800, Blue Phoenix by about 2 lengths, Chanel Couto. Angelus on the outside, calling Erin. Market Garden racing on the outside, taking the third spot and still moving up. It's now Chanel Couto, Blue Phoenix, Market Garden, Angelus, Perpetuity by the release Arrowhead. As they race the last 500, Chanel Couto, Market Garden on the outside, and moving up by the release Blue Phoenix alongside Angelus. Arrowhead is running by Daryl. Chanel Couto, Market Garden on the outside, fighting it out, moves up to take the lead. It's now 10A Market Garden by about 3 lengths, and finally the favorite 10A Market Garden, Chanel Couto, Angelus, Arrowhead, Perpetuity, and Victory Cross.